Thanh Vân for class 782 at Public Secondary School. Today, I'm not here to provide answer because some questions are too important for simple answer. Instead, I like to explore one of machine the way we understand ourselves. If machine can think, learn, and even create better than us, what will we lack of humanity, and will the future belong to us and the machine can we ourselves have created? Artificial intelligence is not a distant future. It's really part of our present. It's transforming the way people live, work, and learn by processing data quickly, improving efficiency, and reducing errors. AI is used in many fields such as transportation, healthcare, and society. Can a machine truly replace the human mind? Firstly, AI can calculate and analyze data faster than human, but it not understand emotion. A machine cannot happiness, sadness, or love, but humans do, and that is what connects us and make our discussion meaningful. Secondly, humans are truly creative. We create music, story, and that how idea never existed before. AI can copy patterns, but it cannot read from the heart. Now, despite all its advantages, AI will never impress humans. It may surpass our speed, but it will never surpass our creativity or willpower because it has no ambition, no courage, and no vision. And in the end, it remains only a tool that follows human edition, not one that defines it. Thank you for listening.